Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. In today's video, we are making a very lovely and simple, delicious Christmas sponge. So come along and let's get right into the video. For my garnish, I'm going to be using some fresh mint leaves, some sliced oranges, and some cranberries, but make sure to check the description box down below for the ingredients. The drinks I'll be using for this sponge are 7-Up, cranberry juice, some Cassis, grape juice, and some orange juice. In a punch bowl or a pitcher, you want to go ahead and pour in all your drinks. I'm using cranberry juice as my base, so I'm using 2 liters of cranberry juice. Next, I go ahead and add my grape juice, followed by my Cassis. You don't have to follow the same order, it doesn't really matter. The point here is to pour in our pitcher all of our juices. I just like to start with the darker drinks first and then my orange juice. I finally add my 7-Up, and the 7-Up is a must in this sponge. Please do well to add it, as your punch will not taste the same without it. Now add your cranberries and your sliced oranges. Please make sure to use organic oranges because we are using the skin as well, and if they are not, you just soak them in some vinegar and baking soda solution. Now finally add your fresh mint leaves, and instantly our punch is looking very pretty, and that's what we want for Christmas. Now give your punch a quick stir and serve yourself some punch on some rocks. If you prefer, you can also add your ice cubes to your punch bowl, but I don't like doing it that way because I don't want to dilute the flavors of our drinks. One great tip here is to make sure that all your drinks are really chilled before you pour them into your punch bowl. This sponge is very easy to put together but tastes absolutely delicious. I hope you are able to try it this festive season for your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!